When planning for a steam shower, proper steam and vapor protection is just as important as proper waterproofing. Achieve both using Wede's new Vapor 85 building panel system. Using Wede's 2-foot by 8-foot or 3-foot by 8-foot Vapor 85 building panel, cover surfaces that may need proper overlap first. This may include bench faces, ceilings, and other odd angles. For the best results, mark, measure, and cut the building panel on the fleece-covered side. Our installer can then snap the board and cut the remaining mesh on the cementitious side. Wede's Vapor 85 building panel system utilizes Wede's joint sealant 620. This is a lower viscosity version of traditional Wedi joint sealant to better help protect against steam and seal fleece type materials. When loading it into the sausage gun, either completely remove the clipped end or just poke holes on one side, as our installer did. The joint sealant 620 will be used throughout the entire steam shower installation. After ensuring a tight fit while dry fitting, fill the entire 1/2 inch channel on the base with joint sealant 620. It is important that the Vapor 85 building panel is completely compressed into the channel before fastening. Using Wede's tabless washer and screws, fasten the Vapor 85 building panel every 12 inches on studs spanning no more than 16 on center. The tabless washers will ensure the vapor-tight membrane on the face of the building panel is not being twisted. Countersink each fastener just below the surface of the board. Using a corner putty knife, clean up any sealant that may have squeezed out. For horizontal applications in wet areas, no fasteners will be used. Use joint sealant 620 where the panels meet and either sealant or mortar to adhere the building panel to the surface. Be sure to have at least 1/8 inch per foot slope on any horizontal wet area. This can be done during the framing process or installation of building panel, never with tile. When using a ladder on top of Wedi Fundo shower bases, be sure to protect the area in case of any accidents. When installing Vapor 85 building panel to the ceiling, apply sealant 620 to the studs to help hold the panel in place during fastening. This is not to be used to fix imperfection in framing. Fasten the panel every 6 inches during sealing applications to offset the additional force of gravity. Apply sealant 620 in between panels and install the first fastener on the seam of the two panels. This will create a lippage-free transition between building panels. After a few building panels are installed, be sure to apply sealant 620 between every vertical and horizontal building panel connection when continuing the installation. A knife or saw can be used to cut holes for plumbing and steam protrusions. These will have to be properly sealed later on. Locking can be added to maintain the proper fastening method if pipes or other obstacles fall in the path. Be sure to have a tight fit between your wall and ceiling building panel, as this is where the most hot steam and condensation will collect. A 2-inch per foot slope in the ceiling is required per TCNA standard. Using sealant 620, install Wede's prefabricated inside and outside corners. This is best done when the sealant is flattened with a putty knife before the corner is applied. Unlike traditional Wedi installations, this is a requirement for Vapor 85 steam shower installations. Installing the corners with sealant 620 offer a vapor-tight seal with very minimal build, unlike installing them with mortar, which does neither. Use a putty knife to completely embed the corners into the sealant 620, ensuring complete coverage. Use Wedi subliner dry sealing tape in conjunction with sealant 620 to seal the base-to-wall connection, Vapor 85 building panel seams, and any outside angles. Since standard mixing valve seals do not protect from steam, use a piece of subliner dry and install tightly around the opening using sealant 620. For larger areas, a notched putty knife will help ensure coverage. Verify that all plumbing and electrical fixtures are approved for steam shower use. Insulate all steam inlets before sealing. These have the potential to reach high temperatures that can adversely affect Wede's foam core with direct contact. Once insulated, seal the inlet using Wede's prefabricated Flexi collar and sealant 620. Apply a 3-inch by 3-inch area of sealant 620 to every fastener and seal off using prefabricated patches or pieces of subliner dry. This is crucial since every fastener penetrated Vapor 85's steam-proof surface. Strips of subliner dry sealing tape can be used, as well as to cover many fasteners in a row. After all the seams and fasteners have been treated, spread all excess sealant flat over the tape edges, or apply more sealant 620 to ensure every edge is fully embedded and vapor-tight. With Wede's Vapor 85 building panel system, tackle your next steam shower project with confidence and knowing that this system is not only providing a vapor-tight building panel, but also vapor-tight assembly system experienced and tested to perform great in any steam room type or application.